everyone, welcome to my channel French class. Today's lesson is on the accents in French language, les accents. You may be wondering why I have not started the words or phrases yet. There's a reason. If you have an understanding on the pronunciation first, it will be easier for you to pronounce the words with me when we move on to the vocabulary lessons. When the basement is laid, you can pronounce whatever the French word you come across and your mind will start to work on the pattern. Language skills excel with the practice. Now, an accent is a small mark in a letter that changes the sound or that helps to distinguish words. Today, we are learning 5 such marks in French language. First one, accent aigu or acute accent, a small dash on top of the letter from left to right. This makes a similar sound to ET, EST or EZ, which we learned in the previous lesson. A. Look at the examples. Le café. Le café. Coffee or cafe, depending on the use of the word. L'été. The summer. Repeat after me. Le café. Le café. L'été. L'été. Next accent. L'accent grave. The grave accent. A small dash drawn from right to left. This accent is used in letters E, A and U, but the pronunciation changes only when it is placed on the letter E, making the sound A. Look at the examples. Le père. Father. Voilà. Look there. Oh, there it is. Repeat after me. Le père. Le père. Voilà. Voilà. Very good. Thirdly, l'accent circonflexe. When this accent, a small upside down V, is used on a letter, it makes the vowel sound more stressed and prominent. Let's go to the examples. Le gâteau. The cake. La fête. The party or festival. L'île. The isle. L'hôpital. The hospital. Repeat after me. Le gâteau. Le gâteau. La fête. La fête. L'île. L'île. L'hôpital. L'hôpital. Very good. The other use of this accent is that it helps to distinguish words with same spellings. For example, sur. It can be the preposition on, and when there is an accent circumflex on the top of U, it means sure. So focus on the accents to understand the meaning. Next comes l'accent théma. 2 small dots on top. Now this is used when there are 2 vowels together and both need to be pronounced. Example. Noël, Christmas. Haïr, to hate. Repeat after me. Noël. Noël. Haïr. Haïr. On the other hand, accent théma also changes the meanings in certain words. For example, mais means but, and when there is the accent théma on the letter I, it is pronounced mai. Mai, and brings the meaning cone. Repeat after me. Mais. Mais. Mai. Mai. Lastly, la cédille. the small mark under the letter C. In the previous lesson, I have mentioned that C with vowels A, O and U makes the sound as with the letter K. That is Ka, Ko, Ku. When you want to change that sound, we use klasedil. That is the small mark. So the sound changes Sa, So, Su. Example. Le garçon. Le garçon. The boy. Repeat after me. Le garçon. Well done. Now that's it for today. You've learned a lot. Until the next lesson, keep practicing and don't forget to subscribe my channel. A bientôt!